MGF Stairsafe is a lightweight, modular, galvanised steel temporary stair access system for use in cofferdams where ladder access is either restrictive or not acceptable. The system adheres to EN 12811. MGF Stairsafe is available in 3 unique sizes, which can simply attach together to give an overall height range from 0.5 metres to 7.7 metres. The stair assembly ranges in weight from 45 kg to 820 kg and can be installed between 30 and 50 degrees. The stair treads are self-levelling. MGF Stairsafe is designed to directly attach to a suitable ladder-safe platform, which is compatible with a range of MGF trench sheets and sheet piles. Alternatively, the stairs can be affixed to concrete slabs or connect direct to scaffolding via the use of adapters. Stairsafe can be installed on both faces of the ladder-safe unit, useful should the ladder-safe be installed on sheets with the nut stand, or if there are gaps between the sheets and the ground. This installation animation will deal with stairsafe assemblies of up to 21 steps up to a maximum 4.6 metres high. For any stairsafe applications beyond 21 steps, please contact MGF directly. It is recommended that the sheets or piles the stairsafe is to be attached to are towed in at least 1 metre below formation level. Prior to assembling, all the components should be flat packed on timber skids. Ensure that the ladder safe platform and clamp are not damaged and that the correct ladder safe is provided for the MGF equipment being used. Mark the exact location for where the ladder safe clamp will be installed and confirm that the clamp will fit as intended. If the ladder safe platform is to be connected to trench sheets, then a packing piece must be secured within the ladder safe clamp prior to installation. Prior to assembling and installing the stairsafe, ensure the mechanisms and threads are suitably lubricated. The stairsafe handrails can be installed within the stairs prior to connecting to the ladder safe. The handrails can scissor during handling. Take care of finger trap hazards and always wear safety gloves when handling stairsafe components. Insert the handrails into the sockets on the stairsafe unit. Secure in place using the supplied R-clip. Prior to installation, ensure that the correct connectors are installed at the top of the unit. If the system is to connect directly to scaffolding, then simply remove the nut securing the slab connectors and replace with the scaffold connectors. The scaffold connector simply hooks over the scaffold. It is recommended that the installation of the stairsafe system take place after the excavation has been bottomed out and the formation is blinded to provide a firm, level landing surface for the stairs and supporting components. If the excavation depth requires 2 stairsafe lengths to be connected, then this should be done when the stairs are flat packed, slotting them together and securing using the supplied nuts and bolts. This may require the lifting points on the stairs to be repositioned. The biggest stair length should be at the bottom of the assembly. The handrails simply slot together. It is recommended to install the lower stair handrail first. The connecting bolt on the upper handrail should then be removed and secured together with the lower handrail. Ensure that the eye nuts on both sides of the stairs have been fully tightened prior to handling and installing. The stairsafe is now ready to install. A 4-leg chain should be attached to each lift point and the entire unit should be lifted flat. It is recommended to use a guide rope attached to the top step to line up the stairs with the ladder safe. The top of the stairsafe stringer should ledger onto the edge of the ladder safe platform. The holes on the connectors must line up with the tapped holes on the ladder safe platform connector plates. When using stairsafe with ladder safe, ensure 2 ladder poles are installed. Once the connector is lined up correctly, then the stairs can be lowered to the desired angle. Lower until the bottom of the stairs bears evenly on the ground. Before the chains are released, the stairsafe should be connected to the ladder safe using 4 M14 set bolts. Ensure this is done from a position of safety. The eye nuts should now be loosened to adjust the steps and handrail. Ensure safe access for this operation. The angle of the handrail and the step can now be adjusted by simply pushing up on the bottom of the handrail while applying weight to the bottom step. Once the handrail is vertical and the steps are level, the eye nuts can now be tightened again. If an 18-step stairsafe or 21-step stairsafe assembly is being installed, then simple support is needed. This simple support is integrated into the 18-step stairsafe as standard. The locking nut securing the simple support should be loosened to allow the support to drop down. Ensure the support post is vertical prior to tightening the locking mechanism. The lower locking nut on the support should now be released to allow the inner telescopic section to drop to the ground. Ensure it is fully bearing on the ground prior to retightening the locking nut. The installation must be checked by a competent person prior to use. Ensure the stair treads are horizontally aligned, check all clamps and bolts are properly secured, and any supporting components are in contact with the ground. The Stairsafe is now ready for use and should only be accessed by one person at a time. It is recommended that all clamps and bolts be checked for tightness at the start and end of every shift, or if the system is adjusted or relocated.